Hey campers, on today's 2-Minute Travel Trailer Tuesday, I want to go over the brand new floor plan for 2025 by Coachmen Clipper. This is the ROK11000.
Here is the ROK11000. It's very similar to the ROK12000 with the same size, width, and height. We have a 9-foot awning on the top. We have a 2-inch wall up front, 20-pound propane tank, spare tire underneath the tongue. It's under 2,500 pounds, has the all-new decals on it, 200 watts of solar up top. We have a 5-gallon cassette toilet in this, a propane furnace, 235, 75, 15 tires, walkable fenders, outside shower, 30-amp power cord, 6-gallon water heater. It's built for boondocking and those campgrounds. We have our full outside kitchen in the back. The full outside kitchen offers a microwave, sink, overhead storage. Don't forget that bottle opener. We also have a 12-volt fridge and that skillet that pulls out, and we can pop off the top skillet portion and turn it into a grill. These campers are 7 foot wide, 7 foot high. They sleep 2 people, and they're 14 foot long. 2 entrance solid step to get in. Storage on the inside with our wardrobe bar. 5-gallon cassette toilet. And this is the difference right here. We have that beautiful dinette that turns into a bed with overhead storage, the new blackout blinds, air conditioning, solar. What more could you ask for a little white lake trailer like this? This is the quick walk around of the ROK11000.
Hey, thanks for sticking around and watching the video. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button and keep on coming back. If you want to see a nice thorough walkthrough video of the ROK11000, check out the Extreme Lifestyles channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next week.